Hi, today we'll be learning how to use the Zoom conference in an effective way. When the personal proximity is hindered due to one or other reason, we'll be using the virtual conferencing applications like a Zoom. Zoom is one of the one which is popular these days. So this video will guide you how to join the Zoom application using Zoom ID and password through mobile application which is already installed for Android platform through Google Play Store or through iOS Store or Windows platform applications. So in search for Zoom application, then you will be getting this level of Zoom picture and download it up. Then how to log in through the web browser and how to use the Zoom app in laptop and system. And second level, we'll be learning how to use the features of the Zoom conferencing applications. And the last, we'll how to host a meeting. So, in order to use the mobile application, I'll be guiding you through this screenshot. The first screenshot, so it's already installed. I'm using an Android MI5. So it's already installed. This is a picture. The second level is to click there. I will be asked for starting a meeting. Start or join a video with Go. So it's the second level. Third level, if you click in the join meeting, it will be guide you the third level where join with a personal link name. You can type your name there and they'll be asking for the meeting ID. You can either type the meeting ID here or you can click here so that you will be getting whether this meeting ID is already available there. Then you can click the join the meeting. If you are clicking the join the meeting, it will be guiding to a next window where you have to enter your password. So the password which is being provided to you by the host, you can enter there. If you are entering the password, so if the host is not started, so there will be a message that waiting for the host to start this meeting. If it is already started, you will be directly entering there. Next, the camera will be asking for the camera, join with the camera or without camera. I have opted for the join with the video. So you have entered the platforms. Second method, if you want to join a laptop or system, you have to get this type of invitation from the host. This is the invitation I have received through the email, or you may be getting the invitation through the WhatsApp or a messaging system. If there is a link, will be there. It is having two parts. One is having a link. If there is a link, you can directly click that link and the link will be goes to the conferencing site, or there will be a meeting ID and a password, unique password will be there. The first method, I am directly clicking this link that is being provided by the host for joining the meeting. So I click the link. So link will be directing to the Zoom application that I have already installed in my laptop, Zoom meetings. So open the link. So this link will be opening the application and the Zoom is being launched. This is the Zoom application. Zoom is getting launched and connecting. So this is so simple method that I have just joined the Zoom application. Whenever there is a other persons, the numbers will be seen here. So it is a very simple method to directly click the link and automatically this link will be opening the application once it is installed. If there is no application is installed, please go to the Zoom website and you will be getting the Zoom launching. And the Zoom website is zoom.us. This is a website of the Zoom. So there are other options like joining a meeting. If there is no application is installed for the computer system, so join the meeting, you can click here. So it will be asking for the joining personal ID. The personal ID is available here. So I just copied it. So I'm typing it up, just copied it up. So joining. So once there is no application is installed, so automatically they will be asking for the password, and if you are typing the password, it will be directly entering them. You can download the Zoom and install it up. Here is a downloading, or sometime they will be asking for click here to download. And if this download window is coming, and just save it up and again install it up. I recommend that you'll be downloading the Zoom application for the laptop, and it will give you a more better result. So these are the three methods by which we will be joining for the Zoom applications. Now we'll be moving with the how to use the features of the Zoom applications. So this is the basic features are like maybe on and off the computer will be giving, like maybe the mic will be there. So if you click in there, you can use the both mobile Bluetooth or maybe any other connectivity, or you can use the system mic, or you can simply switch it off, or you can switch on it up. Then click on the stop video. It means that my video, here is the video, my video is maybe off now. Next you can click the next side is the integrated webcam. If you are having other features, it will be automatically open that also. So I switch on my video. So these are security options are there. Manage participants, chat, share the screen. And there is another, these are other few options available. Here there's a speaker view is there. If I click on the speaker view, only the speaker's view will be available. If I click on the gallery, all the gallery views will be available. I'll be showing that how many person can be seen. There is exit window and opposite, and full screen options are available. If I exit, it will be small, and there's a full screen window is available. So the other features of this one is called screen sharing. Next is record. If I click on the record, it will be automatically recording. This recording option is available. So recording is started. So recording is started. Then I can pause, or I can recording is paused, and or I can stop it up. Again, how to manage the call? There is other portions are there. Like you can invite other person. If you click on the invite other person, there is already existing persons are available, or you can have the contact or email ID. So if you email ID, these are the features available. So you can see the join the meeting ID and the password here. So you can copy the URL. So copy URL is being copied, and you can send the mail. You can open the mail, and you can send the invitation to others. This the chat options is available. If you are chatting, it will be comes with. So it will be seen to everybody. There are other options like you can stop the video of other person. So my video is being stopped, and you cannot enable the video, but you can ask for the video to be enabled. So other person will be accepting, you will be getting the video again. Another person chat, rename, and pin the video, and make a host. If you don't want to become the host, you can make other person as a you can put them under the waiting. So if you click in that, the other person also will be under waiting. So this person will be waiting. So I can admit or remove that person from the site if you are an admin there. So I am admitting other person. He'll be joining again. Next option is the screen sharing. I'll be sharing my screen from the mobile phone. So So this is a screen that the mobile application is coming with. So here is the join with the audio, then my start a video, then stop the sharing, the participant, and the more. For clicking on the more options, I'll be getting the chart, then enable the panel annotations, then show the names of annotation, raise the hand. If I'm putting the raise hand, this person is actually raised the hand, and I'll be getting an indication raise the hand, and you can lower the hand also. So if you are looking for the participant and there are the participant list to be available, I am closing the participant from the mobile phone. And here is another option, like if you are driving, you can use the microphone muted or tap to talk. So these are the features that is being available. How to host a meeting. So for the Windows, actually this will be the window of the full scheme. I have made a copy of that, and this is the window, maximum window that is available for a group conferencing. So this is the Zoom applications. So you can new meeting, you can join with a meeting, the schedule the meeting, and the screen sharing. So how to schedule a meeting. So click on that, you will be getting, for example, demo. You can have any date that is available. For example, I want to schedule on the 15th. The time you can fix at 2 o'clock, or you can put the time as the 30 minutes or 40 minutes. You can put any password, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So schedule it up, and it will be scheduling. So automatically the calendar also will be updated. You will be finding that this goes to the calendar and it will be updated. So starting a meeting. For joining a meeting, you can click here. So they will be asking for the meeting ID. So I'm putting the meeting ID there. So you can join it up. They will be asking for the password. The password it is 202020. Connecting. So again it is being joined back. If you have already scheduled it up, you can start the meeting, and automatically this will be starting the meeting. For a new meeting, you can put the ID. So this will be connecting it up. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Have a great day.